Today we are looking at the Lord of the Tools 2 sets of lawnmower silencer kit compatible with Stihl TS410 and TS420, size 63 by 22 millimeters. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. In this video, you are seeing my screen instead of a classic unboxing. I want to keep it simple and focus on what you actually get and how it works. On your screen is the product page. First thing is compatibility.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
This kit is designed around the TS410 and TS420 cutoff saws with a 63 by 22 millimeter silencer. If your saw is not one of these models or uses a different exhaust size, do not expect this to fit. Before buying, match the exhaust port size and mounting points on your current muffler. If they do not line up, this is the wrong part. You get 2 silencers in the set. That is useful if you run more than one saw or want a spare ready when the current muffler burns out or clogs. The construction is a simple steel body with openings to break up exhaust flow. It aims to slightly reduce harsh noise and clean up the tone. It will not make the saw quiet, and it should not be treated as a noise-canceling gadget. Expect a modest change, not a miracle. I zoom in on the photos so you can see the welds, flanges, and holes. This is where most aftermarket parts win or fail. If the flange is not flat or the bolt holes are off, installation becomes a fight and leaks are almost guaranteed. Here, the design is straightforward, but remember this is not OEM Stihl, so tolerances can vary. Be ready for the chance of needing a little file work or adjustment, and do not be shocked if one of the 2 fits better than the other. Next, we check the 63 by 22 millimeter spec. That size affects both fit and exhaust flow. A more restrictive path can soften sound a bit, but it can also slightly change how the TS410 or TS420 runs. After installing, watch idle, throttle response, and how the saw pulls under load. If it feels choked or bogs unusually, you may need to retune or swap back. That is a normal risk with any non-OEM exhaust part. The listing calls it an easy bolt-on. In a clean world, yes. In real life, old mufflers are often seized, studs are rusty, and gaskets are cooked. Plan to replace the gasket and clean the mounting surface instead of forcing this on top of a damaged seal. A fresh silencer with a bad gasket will still leak and sound off. Durability-wise, at this price for 2 pieces, set expectations. The coating may burn off, color may change fast, and surface rust is likely if the saw sees daily use in concrete dust and water. That does not mean it fails immediately, but it is not a lifetime OEM muffler. Treat it as a working part you keep an eye on. Who is this for? If you need an affordable replacement to get a TS410 or TS420 back in service, or want a spare for a backup saw, this kit can make sense. If you depend on one saw all day for pro work and downtime is expensive, consider this more of a budget option than a primary solution. As I scroll through the page, pause and compare your model, exhaust layout, and your comfort with small adjustments. If the sizing and bolt pattern match, and you're fine with basic wrench work and checks after install, this silencer kit is a practical option. If not, skip it. If this overview helped you decide, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and share your experience with aftermarket TS410 and TS420 parts in the comments.